first day at the FPEA Homeschool Convention in Orlando is done. Okay, let me show you what we got. Let me tell you about what we did and what our plans are for tomorrow. This was day one. So this morning they had training for leadership. I didn't go to that. And then they opened up the exhibit hall and they had a keynote speaker. So we're gonna go see the keynote speaker, but then realized we have so many sessions for Friday and Saturday that we want to go to that we just decided to go walk around the exhibit hall. So they gave everybody a bag full of goodies and stuff that was wonderful. But I'm going to show you a few of the things that we actually really liked at the exhibit hall. So first, this Front Range Construction Academy. It's for 6th to 12th grade. They have classes in Florida, Tennessee, and Colorado. It's like a year-long program where kids learn the basics of like construction and like can figure out how to have their own business and kind of stuff like that. My 12-year-old especially is like super interested in this. We're going to give that a try. We're going to see what's going on with that. But yeah, Front Range Construction Academy sounds super cool. We also stopped by the garden, the hydroponic tower gardens. I'm in her Facebook group. She was like, there was a ton of people at the booth, so we just took a card. We'll be back tomorrow. But they saw the tower gardens where you can do the hydroponic vegetables and herbs and stuff, and it looks super cool. So we'll go back to see that again tomorrow. The National Flight Academy sounded really cool. They have summer programs in Pensacola, Florida, for kids that want to learn about like aeronautical kind of stuff. That was cool. What else did we do? Oh, this KNOPRO is a free online platform where kids can do different activities to kind of like figure out like what they want to do for a career in the future. It's totally free. She was showing me, it looked really cool. KNOPRO, KNOPRO, totally free, so check that out too. We stopped by the Tuttle Twin booth. They did not have the 3rd volume of their American History series at the booth, but they had a special for it. So we will likely go and get that so we can have all 3 volumes. We stopped by Master Books and we got to see my friend at Master Books, and we got to see different programs. There's a new cursive writing program that's like the Patriots cursive. I don't remember the exact name, but that was super cool. And we got to like see everything that is Master Books, and it was glorious because Master Books is a lot of what we're going to be doing this year. We also stopped by Beautiful Feet Books. I keep getting the name wrong for some reason, but Beautiful Feet Books. I have a review coming of their art appreciation study for families, and when I got that, it was just so awesome, and I was like, I need to see their music appreciation study too. So they had that at the conference, and they had a special on it, so we got that. So that will be coming to me soon. But yeah, there's so much stuff, and we were only looking around for a few hours, and like my feet are exhausted. So yeah, that was day one. A little longer than I wanted it to be, but what a day already. There were so many exhibitors. Let me know if there are specific companies you want me to stop by, specific curriculum you want me to show you, because I can take video and show you things on TikTok, show you things on Instagram, whatever. I'll take videos and let you see. But yeah, day one, good stuff.